If you're tired of chasing attention, chasing clients, chasing likes, this video is for you. Because today, I'm not just going to show you how to get noticed. I'm going to show you how to build a brand so undeniable that the right people chase you. I'm Aldo from B2Blue, and this is where we stop playing small and start playing smart. Here's the brutal truth. Visibility without positioning is a trap. You can post every day, you can hustle harder than everyone else, you can scream louder on social media, and still feel invisible. The people winning in your industry, they're not better, they better positioned. They own a space, they don't fight for scraps. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create your personal blue ocean where competition doesn't exist. Most brands, personal or business, are trapped in the red ocean. Everyone's doing the same things, posting the same content, copying the same tactics, fighting over the same clients. It's exhausting, it's depressing, and worst of all, it's invisible. The blue ocean approach flips everything. Instead of being another lemonade stand on a crowded market, you move 2 blocks away where everyone is thirsty and you're the only one selling lemonade. At B2Blue, that's our mission. We don't compete. We create demand by creating positioning that's undeniable. Forget everything you've been told about marketing hacks, SEO tricks, or posting schedules. You're not positioning. You're just more noise. Positioning is not what you say about yourself. It's what others assume about you the moment they find you. It's the difference between another freelancer looking for clients versus the obvious authority for solving my exact problem. Think about it. When you need heart surgery, you don't hire the doctor with the best Instagram fit. You hire the specialist. That's what we build at B2Blue. Specialists, not generalists. Categories, not commodities. Everyone thinks the key to winning is more views, more likes, more followers, more noise. That's wrong. At B2Blue, we focus on the value velocity principle. It's not about how many people watch you. It's about how many right people trust you fast. Because when the right person watches the right message, you don't need to go viral. You just need to be visible to the right eyes. One strategic video, one target piece of content can outperform 100 random ones. That's the game. The key shift you need to make is start thinking like a content creator. Start thinking like a solution provider. People aren't searching for you, they're searching for solutions. You became visible when you became the answer to their urgent problem. That's why we always ask at B2Blue, what problem do you solve better than anyone else? Who needs it so badly they would pay a premium to fix it? And how do you make that problem urgent today, not tomorrow? If you can answer that clearly, congratulations. You just stop it out of the red ocean. And here's the mind bender. The more you niche down, the bigger you become. Most people think narrowing their positioning limits their growth. It's the opposite. By focusing on solving one specific high stakes problem, you become the only obvious choice. You stop being one of many, you become the one. Big players aren't casting wide nets, they're planting deep roots. That's why at B2Blue, we help you build authority inside a focused pond. So you dominate it completely. If this is making sense for you and you're ready for stop being just another option, download the personal Blue Ocean Canvas. It's free and it's the exact framework to reposition your brand today. If you're ready to accelerate even faster, download the ebook Unlock Your Personal Blue Ocean. It's a full framework on how to build your brand properly. And remember, you don't need to post more. You don't need to hustle harder. You don't need to pray for virality. You just need to position yourself so well that competition becomes irrelevant. This is the future of branding, and it starts today.